Wednesday, 13 March 2024. Now, some very important day. Now, midweek update, then this will bring up now on this particular platform. And I thank you, say this, we don't join me today for actually be part and parcel of which way we get and to present so far as things then they unfold. Mami and Papa, they are for now, ladies and gentlemen, fellow ambassadors, thank you for joining us on today's edition of our daily updates. The issue will happen for Bamenda, for Brasseries Junction. I want to talk about that. I want to throw more light on it. Let us actually look into this issue. You know, it don't be for over some time now we would hear about ban for certain things and for ground zero. The first thing, especially Mimbo, where they go for Mimbo, they talk say na Brasseries. But before now, ma explain what happened. From which we don't hear, from information we don't gather from the ground, from everything we gather it shows say this particular truck driver, the breaky, and we don't see people who don't claim responsibility already for that particular action. So I have a group, they already claim responsibility for that action. So any man when they talk say this, so if doubt people they carry out, no need to doubt any longer. Now, they say they break this truck driver, it deny for break. Right? It deny for stop. Wait till you do say, as it is struggle for run, now you the open fire for you. So it shows this so the toy, get my point. That in a way it happened. And the bully Brasseries truck driver. Maybe they carry Mimbo. They say he carry Mimbo now from Bafusam, they bring her for inside and for Brasseries because the Brasseries get their big headquarter. They call and say Brasseries Junction. Oh no. Yes, from that side go Chairman Park that side of Chair Street. Chairman Park that side of New John, other side of Darrington. So no all. Now, this particular incident happened. I want to talk about some of these policies then for ground zero, how it affect this struggle, this policy for Mimbo. Now, Capo Daniel, they start all these things, they say, Brasseries na contraband, oh, this, they no one catch this one, they no one catch this one, they no one catch the one. Okay. Una fit imagine, okay, una no one Brasseries again, right? Wait till the Brasseries, Société Anonyme de Brasseries du Cameroon. That's the company name na SABC. And I name that right. They can argument say Brasseries na say na French product. You know, they no one catch am. So what people they drink it confuse them. You understand? Na your argument that say they no one catch am. Say Brasseries Mimbo na contraband. I want to talk this thing them. Do want an honest discussion, a frank talk. I don't always tell and say I know they can't forever can call some my name or for can clap for some man. I need clap for some man. We go look the reality the way they happen. The reality is the way they happen for inside this particular struggle. Now, they say they no one catch Brasseries, right? They no one catch any Brasseries Mimbo. Okay, you ask and say, Brasseries company, they buy Guinness. Guinness na Brasseries get am, up to know. Na Brasseries get Guinness now. Na Brasseries they control Guinness because they buy them. We don't officially see them. But they know the ban Guinness. It makes sense. Now Brasseries don't buy Guinness now. But the people where they say they ban Brasseries, they know the ban Guinness. Why? Secondly, they say na La Republique Mimbo. Kaji na Ambada Mimbo. No, I ask a question, no muna answer me. Kaji na Ambada Mimbo. Okay, now. Who leave that side? The people then talk say this so for ground zero, people the way say Brasseries Mimbo they drink and it confuse what people their head, they know the reason again. And they ask and say, That one a leader, they diaspora, they need drink beer. They need drink beer for any other place. They need drink beer. So now the one can determine how Ground Zero would do for drink that beer or do anything. When I say there's already palava mimbo, you know they work again, no? You know they work again. If palava mimbo, say me they ban mimbo, ban this one. You know they work again. It be counterproductive. It's counterproductive. It's a bad policy now. Now bad policy. You know why na bad policy? Why? Wait till una reason why una know the ban kaji. Wait till una reason why una know the ban Guinness. Because no be amber mimbo than this. Better on ban all them. Who understand say this so it whole na for all them. You get my point? And only inside that very town, only inside Ground Zero, people in the way they go pay amber and they go pay them for sell Brasseries. When I say no. And this one I talk and say the vex some of una they go just una know. Okay, I want to ask and say, who take for example, say, okay, they will break that truck driver, he break. Una wait to una yes on the team. If they will break that truck driver, he break, they will carry goat and no. They will carry goat and what they will do? They will ask him money, no. If they will ask him money, he pay, they will leave you know. When they leave you now, what will happen with that mimbo? Okay, they don't still bully the truck driver. That mimbo, what will happen with that? They go see different person go drive the motor. Go to inside Brasseries for Brasseries Junction. They'll go down for they go still distribute the mimbo, they go sell it. You see and say this, so this struggle now sense not be power no. This is the honest truth about the whole show. And the honest truth about the whole show this. Palava mimbo, see they know the one me they say Brasseries again for Ground Zero. You know they make no sense. You know they make no sense. When I leave people, they mean they do that business. When I leave people, for me, I don't tell when I say it is counterproductive. I don't care how you see them. But if you think, say they so Brasseries, they give a ban Brasseries, ask yourself, say why they know the ban Guinness? Why they know the ban Kaji? No, let us be factual. Move face fact. Why you know the ban Kaji? Or Kaji they pay on some money. Now question why they ask them, man over it. Guinness, no be na the very Brasseries company get Guinness. Why not the ban Guinness? When I ban all them, who know say this of Ground Zero don't drink beer. That I will understand. Who know say Ground Zero don't drink beer. Why not the worker be say after support the can't say this na economic sabotage? Which economic sabotage? Which economic sabotage be that? Now which economic sabotage that? When I leave people in Ground Zero, me they say that and John. When I leave people, me they say that and John. John don't get anything for do struggle. We don't pass that level. Now for 2016, 2017, no, we talk other thing in 2018, 2019. You don't pass that level. It did how it now so now go to talk say me school they no go. Why man talk against me school they no go? Because I don't see and say this will don't pass that level. Why it be say people that they grow for inside struggle, they need to mature. Yes, not true. Because you can't discover and say you get your brother for quarter or some parliament for quarter way, it's your tall, you know, get no sense. They record and say big for nothing. People that they big, they grow inside struggle, but they don't really mature. They don't really mature. And they ask questions, say, wait to be the rationale, wait to be the reason why when I think say this so Brasseries no get to sell, but Kaji get to sell, Guinness get to sell. I want to let us face fact. What is the rationale? Let us face fact. Explain. Guinness is owned by Brasseries. Kaji is be owned by the very large public. So when I tell when I explain of the Amazonian people, they say Brasseries no get right for sale. Why to be the rationale? Can you guys explain this thing? You see, it's a bad policy. The policy is counterproductive. It's counterproductive. People then their livelihood themselves. People then operate their bar. It depends on that party, that mean them. When I look places like Jefobi, when I look places like Imagine Bakery them. When I look big places for town, they go Choco Amber. If I don't know, my talk muna here, you go vex una. You go vex una. Big places for town where they sell Brasseries Mimbo. They go Choco Amber no. When they go Choco Amber, they can't say, is that justice? Not be justice that. Justice means give everybody equal treatment. Treat all man the same because of some particular rule. If you say this in a contraband, maybe in a contraband. You get my point? No go attack on one man, or no go take money for some man, then you leave him. Then you say you stand for justice. You stand for which justice? for which justice. So I group, the fit tell Amazonian them why Kaji and Guinness this the fit tell Amazonian them why Guinness and Kaji this but they deny me Brasseries no say. Why Brasseries no get to say why? When na Brasseries get Guinness, they deny me Brasseries no say why. I don't tell when I say that thing be counterproductive. It doesn't pay. It's counterproductive, and all these things go a long way to keep on making the people to rise against you, keep on making the people not to support you any longer. It keeps on making the people okay. That parliament on bole so. I don't know side the parliament come up, but if we take a say this, okay, the parliament no be come on amber. Only that action. When I see how many people don't lost property for the. When I see what that motor don't cost, the motor cause a lot of damage for the. But at the end, you guys did not still succeed to stop the Brasseries dreams. You did not succeed. The thing is this, you must always get an evaluation of your action. Did you achieve your goal? You meet up with your objective. What will be your objective? Your objective na say you want to stop Brasseries. You want to stop that motor. You want to stop the company. You know the say no. Okay, yes, not true. We don't go now for the truck. We not succeed for stop the truck. No, because the truck they go still drive am, take am, carry the memo them, still go supply am water. But what happen? One person lost his life. We not talk even as say una bole person. That was not your mission. Your mission was to stop Brasseries. But did you stop them? No. What is the use? Una get will ask una self plenty question then. Struggle na sense, no be power. Struggle na sense, no be power. Now why that una dey see am plenty. Some of my brother dey dey ground zero, dey fall. They dey fall because of rough work there. Because they go try for follow for do policy the way you know the help, for implement policy the way you know the help people. Just as I wanna be reason and una mind say this so una be understand and say me school dey go. Una be no say me una be understand say me school dey go. And the very one I get will no say Brasseries give will say without any problem. I get will check now way how I get will take budget for the company they call and say Brasseries. If you go to disturb people then, what can they disturb? It's not more working. So one of guys should don't go for their Facebook page the way they call and say TV. Talk say this so me mommy and papa they were brother said they ground zero. Me they no drink beer. Me no man no drink beer. Where they just put they drink beer. They just put they drink beer. They are more the two man in garden, two man can garden. But they can't talk for your Facebook page say me mommy and papa they were ground zero. Me they no drink beer because me they no drink Brasseries because say the give reason then. Me go ground zero go obey no. People then do it. They no fit preach thing way if not them they go do one. They only preach nothing the way they know the practice them. They need to practice them. As the day they go, the people then their mentality about the struggle it change, and it becoming very dangerous. Now I group their objective that they are always chasing the shadow. They leave the object and chase the shadow. I don't ask you now. It be simple. Brasseries company, you don't buy Guinness. Now they get ownership for Guinness now. Why I no ban Guinness? Because na Brasseries get that. Why? Kaji, no be Kaji, na Solar Republic company. Why they say? It in a sense, no be power. Una lie una hear, una lie una no hear. But una not talk one day some person no be talk, and then I forget no dey go.